Hey there folks, Peter here with BlackRock Business, and I'm so glad to see you here today. It has been a little while. The world has flipped upside down since I saw you last. We all know this. It's definitely something different. And as far as retail and brick and mortar and point of sale, we're just in a little downtime here. I've actually had a lot of conversations and a lot of people talking to me about a few different things. One, many people are using this little extra time here to get their inventory on track, scanning or counting their store and updating the correct quantities in their point of sale. So good for you if you're doing that. I'm happy and glad to help all of you with that. It is a wonderful thing to do since you've got a little extra time right now. If you want help getting your inventory on track, certainly reach out to me. This, by the way, is the video for the month for getting your free t-shirt drawing. We're going to do the drawing, and we are going to choose a winner for a very excellent and very free t-shirt sent out to you. The t-shirt production might be a little behind schedule, but we'll at least get the winner chosen, and they will get the t-shirt in due and good time when the t-shirt printers catch up and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, like I was saying, helping people count their store, get their inventory on track, get their numbers correct, so when they open their doors again, everything is good and perfect and finely tuned with all of your inventory numbers being correct. So that is an excellent use of your time right now. Number two, I'll just switch over to this tab right here. Boop. And the other thing I'm helping people with is actually moving online, since there's a time right now when a lot of people are ordering online. I hear it all the time that many store owners, they always think in the back of their mind, they're like, hey, I would like to move my store online, but it's so complicated. How do I process the orders? How do I keep the inventory synchronized? This tool right here, which I highly recommend, I can get you a one-to-one on-screen demo, answer all your questions for Webgility in order to synchronize your QuickBooks point of sale, QuickBooks Online, or QuickBooks Desktop, and it will synchronize your quantities, it will process your orders, it will bring them into your QuickBooks or QuickBooks point of sale. There is no better tool. So if you're interested in that, you can go to ecom.blackrockbusiness.com and we will get you hooked up with an on-screen live demo to answer all your questions. And this could be the thing that you do during this time when you have nothing to do. You actually extend your store to online so that you can continue to take orders while people can't come into your store. Excellent thing to do while you have some extra time right now. And so we can get that all situated and all your questions answered. The other thing I'm going to mention before we progress to the t-shirt drawing is that you should check out promos.blackrockbusiness.com and see what the latest promotions are on all the QuickBooks software and QuickBooks point of sale software. I'll be very happy to fulfill your needs in that manner. Otherwise, let's get to it. Let's get this drawing done. And so I have everybody who gave me their email and name in the Facebook group. They are here on this Wheel of Fortune. Yes. If you did not get your email address and name over to me in order to do this drawing, you can certainly send it to me if you'd like, and I'll add you to the list. We do this monthly. This is a free t-shirt drawing. Before I choose the lucky winner, I'm going to show you this month's t-shirts. This is option number 1 right here. We have this awesome white sketch of using QuickBooks on the computer. So great. And that is in the heather gray t-shirt. And then we got a black t-shirt, which is this. It's kind of a snazzy version of the QuickBooks logo. So you can have option number 1, or you can have option number 2. There you are. Let's get back to it. I am going to draw the name now. And here we go. The wheel will stop on Sancha Pinder. I hope I'm saying that name correct. We got Sancha Pinder. You are the winner of this month's free t-shirt drawing for our QuickBooks and QuickBooks Point of Sale group. I'm going to flip over once again. Sancha, I'm going to send you messages and you're going to choose option number 1 right here or option number 2 right here. And like I said, don't forget to check out ecom.blackrockbusiness.com or promos.blackrockbusiness.com. Go ahead and do one of those or send me a message. Just let me know what you need there. Once again, my name's Peter with BlackRock Business. I hope you have an excellent day. All right, bye.